Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install some second generation Impreza seats into your first generation Impreza. So these are the original seats. It's an NA Impreza, so it comes with these cloth, very boring regular seats. They're not very sporty, they don't hold you very well, and well, this is the steepest that the backrest will actually go, so you always lean back pretty far. So we're gonna install these seats out of my O2 WRX. So because the seat brackets are actually the same between the first generation and second generation Impreza, you can swap any seat, no matter if it's the NA model, the WRX or the STI, from first generation into second generation and from second generation into the first generation. So to do this, you're gonna need a 14mm, either like a ratchet or a regular one of these, and yeah. So you have two bolts in the front here. I've already loosened them, so I can remove them by hand. One over here and one over here, which is really shitty to get to with one of these. So I really recommend you a ratchet with a actual long sleeve, 14mm, to get to this bolt. If you're doing this the first time, I recommend you to actually not completely remove them, but leave them a bit in there and loosen the back ones first. But yeah, since I've already done this, these are just soft, and now you're gonna slide the seat forward as far as you can get it, and now you can get to the back ones. Now the back bolts are covered by these two plastic covers. This one you remove by squinching up here. There is a clicker here, and then you just pull it backwards because this is just slipped into here. And for this one you just pull these two to the side, and yes, there is a clip down here, but that is most likely just gonna slip out. And then again, there's one bolt here to remove, and one bolt over here. One quick note: if you want to have the plastics for here, make sure to get the ones from the new seat that you're installing from the second generation, as the plastics from the first generation will not fit these brackets. Even though they fit the same holes, the plastic covers will not fit. Now, to get the seat out, I recommend you just slide it back again, and then adjust the backrest to be as flat as possible, which I'm gonna try to do right now. And then you can just pick it up, tilt it this way, and get it out like this. I've removed the seat off camera because it's really hard to do with just one hand. So now is the perfect time to actually clean up down there and then get the WRX seat in, or the newer seat in, just the way you got the old one out. Once you've got the new seat in, it's just the same steps as taking it out. Just put back the bolts and the plastic covers, and then you're done. And just like that, that's all there is to installing second generation seats into a first generation Impreza.